Generator is similar to electrical motors, but the difference is now you have a rotating electrical field that convert this rotating electrical field applied by torque from any steam turbine or gas turbine or hydro turbine, and convert this into electricity. In the generators, you had a voltage until 26,000 volts. One of the special part of the generator is the cooling system. For big ones, using hydrogen. Hydrogen is an explosive gas. Now you need to protect and take extra care when you're working, because you had high electricity, you had a hazardous gas, and you had a static current even when machine stopped, because this is a massive stator. Remember, understand and follow safe work practice for every job. In the electrical motors and generators, you need a special PPE like dielectric shoes.